Now I'll talk about chmod command. So what is chmod? That is change permission. So by using chmod command, you can change file or directory permission using numeric or symbolic notation. Suppose here in my project you have many files and folder. So suppose you want to give permission my file.txt. Okay, so if you use chmod 644 644 then my file.txt, then it will give the permission, means it will show that it is readable by all and writable by owner. Now if you put chmod 755 and then script.sh, some script executable file, so it will be like a executable by all and writable by owner. If you put chmod 600 then private file, so that will only owner can read and write. Now if you see that ls minus l, you will see that permission. Okay, so here that ls minus l means all folder and file permission, you can see here. So now what does it mean by this number? So here that r means readable means number 4, writable means 2, and x means executable means 1. Okay, so here 644 means RW means 4 plus 2, then plus 4 plus 0, this is 4 and 4 plus 0. So RW, R and R. 755 means RW, RX, 421, 401, 4 plus 0 plus 1, that is 755. So here, so remember, so if you don't remember this number, so one thing you have to remember, so if you give permission to all, everyone, so you can use chmod, very famous, 777. So you can give something or new file. Okay, new file. If you do that, so it means you are giving permission all to everyone. So again, if you see here, ls minus l, so if you see here, so that is new file.txt, so that you are giving permission to all. Okay, so next is something you can use symbolic notation also. So you can use that chmod u plus x script.sh, so that is add executive permission for user. You can use chmod g minus w file.txt, so remove write permission for group. Chmod o plus r document.txt, you can create that, you can means add read permission for others. So many things are there. So remember that chmod 777 new file.txt means you are giving permission to all. Okay, that is important. And now wc means word count. You can count lines, word and character in files by using wc command. Now first, okay, so you want to see how it works. So first, okay, so I'm clear the screen first, clear. Okay, now first you check that cat my file. Okay, so here that hello world, this is my first Linux file adding some text. So now if you use something like okay, here if you give some permission like not permission, so here if you put some command like wc my file text, so you can see here, so 11056 that is my file dot txt. Okay, so that you will get that. Now here if you want to that just want to count the line, so you can put wc minus l then my file t8.txt, so that is only one line, but here it is two line but it is not showing, that is hello world. Okay, this is my first, you can check that cat my file.txt. Okay, in this line is not taking, Okay, so that is the one problem. Okay, now okay, check wc minus w, then my file .txt, so that is 10 words only. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, means this total they are considering as a one line. Okay, so that is uh, that word only. And if you want to count the character, so wc minus c and then my file.txt, so you can see that is 56 characters are there. You can count that. Now you can count multiple file. So wc file1.txt, you can do that. I can check one wc, that my file here, wc my file, then you can take new file. Okay, so now you can count, you can see that. So one my file.txt, one line, here also one line, two line, total 20 word, and 112 total 20 112 character. Okay, now count all text files. So if you want to count all this, so you can do that wc that star dot txt, so all file. Okay, so here txt, so you can count all this txt file. Next, find. Okay, so find command you can use to search file and directory based on the various criteria. So suppose you want to search something like, you just to go back here. Okay, I'm going to that home folder. Now I am search something, find. Okay, then dot, then name, then if I do something like star dot txt, so inverted double inverted comma close. So now if you see here, so it is searching, right? Okay, so here nothing is, you can nothing is coming. Okay, so here, so we have to install some that find command. Okay, so then only I hope we can use that. Okay, let it be. So you can see here, so many things you can do. The find directories by names, anything you can do. If you have all this file, you can do that. Okay, these are the comments. Okay, now next is rm and rm directory, means remove files and directory. Okay, so now coming clear, I'm clear the skin. Okay, now here suppose you have something, this is the all folder. So now I'm going to I'm going to the desktop, cd desktop, and here two files, three files are there. Now I want to delete. Okay, so I want to go to the backup. Okay, in the backup I can see nothing is there. Okay, so I'm coming back. So in I want to delete the backup, so now you can easily delete. Okay, before that I'm going um, other folder, suppose cd my project. Okay, so here I can see many files are there. Suppose I want to remove that backup.txt, so you can use rm that backup.txt. So now you can check that, so that backup.txt is removed. Okay, so you can also do multiple file, you can remove rm file1.txt, file2, file3 dot, and then you can check with ls. We can do that. I'm not doing here because I don't want to delete all this file. You can do that. Next is that you can also delete the directory. So I can go back. So now here if you see that backup file, nothing is there, I want to delete that. Okay, so here rm dir, then backup file, we can do that. You can check that is vanish, means we have deleted. So you can delete, so remove directory with content. So if you want, suppose some contents are there inside that directory, so you can use rm minus r project folder, and so remove directory in all contents. And forcefully if you removed, very careful, means if you have important data you can lose. Okay, so rm minus rm and then all data, if so you can easily do that. So here warning is there, rm deleted file permanently, so always double check before using rm minus rm, so very careful. Next, we'll learn some user and system information command. So now here I am again clear the screen. Okay, now if I put, so who am I, who am I, okay, who am I, who am I. So if you see here, so that I can see that current username, that is student. Okay, now if you want to show all login in user, so you can use who logged in. So here nothing is showing, so I am only student actually logged in, so nothing is showing here. So now which system you are using, so you can use uname. So you can see that Linux system I'm using. So you can use details if you want to get detailed information, so you can uname, okay, minus a. If you do that, you can see more information. So here if you put uname minus s, so system name, so uname minus s system name, so uname minus r, so release of that uh, that ubuntu, that if you do that uname minus m machine type. Okay, if you do uname minus a, so all information you will get. Then date and time comments. So okay, so if you want to check the date, so date is something I'm recording that Monday September 8 170107 UTC 2025. Okay, so you can use custom format, so like date then plus, then double inverted comma, percentage y, then minus percentage m minus percentage d. Then okay, here we have to delete one. So now if you can see that, so today's date is 2025 9 September and date is 8. So you can year month and day, so year month day format. So you can do hour minute second format also, and hour minute second format. So you can do that, you can put that you can write this comment, and then full day and month you can do date percentage a, percentage b, percentage d, and then percentage y. So you can get that full day month name. So you can try that, you will get different things. Now here the date and time comments, so abbreviated day and month. So if you put date plus percent inverted comma percentage and then comma percentage b comma percentage d, so you'll get the Monday December 10. So you can abbreviate it, and day and month you can get that. Okay, so you can try that. So next is that calendar. So if you use cal, okay, so I think we have to install that. Okay, so here I'm going to install. Okay, so it is installing, then we can use that. It will take time. 80%. It will take some time. Now done. So now you can use cal, that current calendar, current month calendar you can see. Then calendar cal 1, then 2025, you can see that January 2025 calendar. Similarly cal 8, so August you will see that what is the calendar. Okay, that month August month you will see. Then cal 3 2024, you can see that March 2024 the calendar. Okay, so using cal you can see the calendar. So now here you can enter year, you can see that. So if you put some cal 2025, you can see that whole year calendar. Okay, so you want to previous and next month, you can also get that. So cal minus 3, so you can see that. So August, September, October. Okay, so previous, current, and next month. Now you can use echo command, so that is display text on screen and redirects to the file. Okay, so clear skin, then you can put echo in double inverted comma, hello Linux, whatever you will put, that will come to the screen. Hello, hello, hello Linux. So that will come. So whatever comment you will give like that, you can get that. Okay, so hello, you can, if you remove that, it will work or not? Yeah, it will work. Then create file with echo, you can do that. Okay, then uh, you can create file with echo, many things you can do that. So if you want to need help, so you can use man command. Okay, so here man. Okay, so one manual page do you want? For example, try man, so you can get that manual. So now here I am want, suppose man ls, I want to see the manual, so you can see that manual. Okay, so now here you can put q quit. Next is the basic calculator. Okay, so you can just type bc. Bc will show you the calculator. Okay, now here you can do many things. 1 plus 2, then this is calculator 2 minus 8, 2 by 6, we will get that. Okay, then 2 into 8. Okay, so that we will get. So these are the basic arithmetic you can do by using bc command. Okay, then decimal calculation you can do that. Okay, so for that, that scale 2 means 2 decimal place you can do. Okay, so exit quit, then bc, sorry, bc, then scale is equal to 2. Now you can do something like 22 by 7, you'll get that. Okay, sqrt, many things. So now I'm quit, you can try, you'll get different things. So now online calculation you can do that. So you can use echo 5 plus 3 into 2 bc, you can get something, the value. Okay, you can try that. You can also do square root, length, scale, sine, cos, many things you can do using bc command. Okay, so these are the basic command. Then next I'll do some assignment. Okay,